The best way to earn consistent income and achieve your financial goals is to have multiple streams of income. With this, you are sure of earning money every day as money flows into your account from different sources. If this is what you want for yourself, especially this quarter four, as the year gradually draws to an end, then grab a seat and make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm about to share with you 4 smart ways you can start earning consistent income. Number 3 is my favorite. These are side hustles that never fail. Something you can start from the comfort of your home. These 4 side hustles are things you can do regardless of your age, your location, or level of education. All you need is your phone and internet connection. And I'm very sure you have them because that's what I'm using to watch this video. It doesn't matter whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, an entrepreneur, a 9-to-5er, you can do all this. So while sharing the business ideas, I will talk about the skills you need to get this done and get the kind of result you want. I will also go on to talk about where you can get these skills absolutely free. So these are skills you can learn in weeks, if not days, if you give it your full attention. Now, they are easy to learn and master, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done right in this video. Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you are looking for a guide on how you can earn money, then you are onto the right channel. You are watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 smart businesses that never fail. So do well to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish a new video. Remember also to give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate if you do that. With that said, let's jump straight into the topic of today. Virtual assistant. This is something you can start today after watching this video. The demand for virtual assistants is on the increase. And that's because a lot of online businesses and entrepreneurs are springing up on a daily basis. These online business owners and entrepreneurs need your service as a virtual assistant in organizing and managing minor tasks in their businesses to help keep the business organized and make sure things flow smoothly. This is where you come in as a virtual assistant, and this side hustle pays really well. So your job as a virtual assistant is to help your boss stay organized and updated. So you'll be booking a lot of appointments, doing a lot of reminders, email follow-up, and a whole lot of other tasks that your boss might assign to you. But be rest assured that they are minor tasks you can do from your home. This business idea works best if you are an organized and well-coordinated person because you would need to help your boss in his or her day-to-day running of the business. In terms of earning, there is no limit to how much you can earn per month. It all depends on your employer and the nature of task assigned to you. On average, a virtual assistant here in Nigeria with less than 1 year experience can expect to earn about 290,000 naira. Then in the US, a virtual assistant earns an average of $23 per hour. Now that's to show you that some employers will pay you per hour while some will pay you on monthly basis. So here are some of the places where you can get virtual assistant jobs. The first one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great marketplace where you can find jobs if you learn how the platform works and how you can use it to your advantage. You also have People Per Hour, which is a platform where you can get gigs. Some other places like Indeed and the rest of them. To get job easily, you will need to package yourself and show employers upfront the value you are going to offer them. This may mean you will have to study other virtual assistants, see the kind of services they render, and even how they package their offer. So be able to put up a convincing offer. The second business idea that is guaranteed to pay you real good money this quarter four is online English teacher. Trust me, this is one of the sweetest way to earn money for anyone who can speak English. You can imagine how cool it is to get paid $20, $30 or $40 per hour just for speaking your language. I mean, talking to someone in your own language. Online tutoring is definitely a sweet side hustle because you don't need any special knowledge or skill to get it started. You sign up on the platform, take the test and pass it, have students sign up under you to teach them to speak your language. Beyond speaking English language, there are other languages and subjects you can teach on these platforms. I made quite a good number of videos on online tutoring. So I will drop the link to the videos in the description. You want to check these links out and learn how you can get started as online English teacher. You won't believe how many people out there are willing to pay to learn how to speak English. And it all starts by you signing up on this platform, and then you start getting students. Some of the platform only requires you sign up, then they will assign their students to you, while on some other platforms you would be the one to reach out to the students and negotiate with them. On some platforms you already have a fixed price per hour, while some other platforms will allow you to fix your price and negotiate with your students. Whichever option, online tutoring is a sweet way to earn money, just sharing your knowledge with people on the online space. Here are some of the platforms where you can secure online tutoring jobs. So you have Cambly, TutorMe, Verblin, SuperProf for those in Nigeria, and a whole lot of other platforms you can get these online tutoring jobs. If you're getting value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. The third side hustle that never fails is teaching your favorite skill. Guys, I made a lot of money from this one alone. Would you believe 1,001 people out there are looking to learn this skill you have right now? And they are willing to pay you premium for that. I've coached thousands of students on different skills at different times. So you know how to play piano, you know how to get kids to sleep for an extra hour, you know how to sing, you know how to dance. Don't ever trivialize these skills, because someone out there is willing to pay you premium to learn these skills from you. Online learning and skill sharing is a business that is booming right now and is expected to double in the coming years. Now, a lot of ordinary people who know how to do things are putting out their skills and knowledge out there, getting paid in thousands to teach others how to do what they already know. Now, the best part of this side hustle is that you don't need to acquire a special skill. You don't need any external thing to get started, because all you'll be doing is to share your knowledge, your skills, and your experiences with your students. So guys, recently I read on IG of a woman that makes multiple six figures teaching other married women how to look classy in their dress. It amazes me how people will pay hundreds of dollars to learn how to dress, and yet this woman is cashing out real big. So whatever knowledge you have right now is something you can monetize. Now is the time to put it out there and get your people pay you premium to get that done. These are basic knowledge and skills you have. Because you already have them, you are trivializing them. No knowledge is common. So you need to put yourself out there and then get your people come to you to learn what you already know how to do best. So personal training is a business that is booming right now, and there's no limit to how much you can make as a skill trainer. To earn a lot of money from this side hustle and make money consistently, you will need to learn how to promote your service. You need to learn how to put out what you do out there in a way that it will grab attention of your target audience and lead them to sign up for your service. This will require you learn how to create something like flyers, business card, posters, and you can do all of this with a free website called Canva. Canva is a pre-made template that allows you to create amazing designs. Whatever the thing is, you can create it absolutely free on Canva. To sign up on Canva, click on the link in the description of this. The fourth business idea that is guaranteed to make you a lot of money this quarter 4 is real estate agent. Guys, realtors make a lot of money. This is actually one of the most profitable business that's rarely discussed. Would you believe that realtors make a whopping 10% commission on every property they sell? So you can imagine selling a property of 50 million. That's a whopping amount of money you are going home with. Depending on the country where you are watching from, real estate agent does not require a lot to get started. For example, in Nigeria, all you need to become a realtor is to get a developer or someone that has a property that wants to sell it, reach out and discuss with them, get buyers, and then you get a whopping 10% commission of any amount of money that property is sold. Now, this might not be the case if you're living in a developed world where you need to get certifications and a lot of other things. to get started. But if you're living in Africa, especially in Nigeria, there's nothing that stops you from jumping on this, especially if you know how to talk to people, because that's basically what it needs to get this business started and profitable too. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this done leveraging the internet. Of course, you need to get some training as time goes on, but for now, getting started does not require anything and it's something you should consider. To get a lot of customers for your real estate business, I would advise you create an optimized YouTube channel where you talk about everything real estate. So once you optimize your channel using relevant keywords, you go on to start creating stunning, amazing, beautiful videos of the property you want to sell. This will help you a lot in getting attention because 90% of your target audience are watching these videos. A young woman I know very well who is into real estate makes a lot of sales using this strategy. Now, this alone will put you ahead of others in your niche. So creating stunning videos and creating marketing and educating videos around the properties you sell and on real estate generally will help you get your target audience, so you are very sure of attracting target audience. I hope you got value from this. Remember to share the video with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn smart businesses they can start today. See you in my next video.